Welcome back. My name is David, and I am going to show you how to edit your ChatGPT generated images in Canva. You will need a paid account, just take note, but these tools are lifesavers. So, I'm going to show you just a couple of tools, and then I'll mention another one just so you guys are aware of it. All right, so for example, let's say you had a picture and you wanted to change the text, either because you don't like what it says or because it misspelled it. So um, this example here, I already did what I'm going to show you, and what it allows you to do, it allows you to make the text in the pictures an independent object. So you could move them around, you could make them bigger, you could make them smaller, you can change the text however you want. So how do you do that? All you got to do is you click on a picture, and then you click the edit button, and then there is this thing called Magic Studio, and that's where all the magic happens. And you're gonna go to this thing called grab text, and it's gonna allow you to grab the text from the picture. Now you don't see this guy here because I already did it, so I'm gonna do it on this side. And whatever it's highlighted in purple is what it's gonna grab. And then before, this is what came from ChatGPT, and if you wanted to change the text, you're gonna have to select it and then click the grab button. And once you do that, it's gonna make this an object that you could resize and move around. And obviously, if you want it, here, I'll just do this. You can make edits to it. I'll put it back. Now, the only thing you gotta watch out for is sometimes um, Canva changes the font to something that looks completely not like it originally was. So one way around that is to try to pick another font. There's lots of fonts to pick from, so sometimes you are able to pick a font that is closely resembles what it used to be, and sometimes I've realized that there's really no hope, and you're not going to be able to get text that looks exactly like it used to be. But you're able to edit the text, which is a big deal. When I started first generating AI images, getting the text to come back exactly like I prompted it was a big challenge. It's gotten really good lately, but again, I haven't tried to prompt it lots of text. So one little sentences of this size, it's doing pretty close to 100%. But if you wanted to change it, you can via Canva. Really simple. All right. The second thing is that you could erase things. Like these little clicks, you could erase them really, really simple. If it's something like really independent, like let's say I wanted to erase these three down here, you could erase those easily. If there's something like within the picture, like I wanted to erase his hand here, hugging this guy, which looks completely off, it's gonna be a challenge. But these little ones here, it's gonna be really easy. So let me show you how you can erase this using this picture. So click on the picture you want to edit, hit edit, and there is another Magic Studio tool called Magic Eraser. So click on that, and you have a couple options. You have the brush, but I would first attempt to find the thing you're trying to erase using the click option. And all you got to do is literally, sometimes when you hover over stuff, it'll highlight. So I'm able to erase this guy's tie if I wanted to, or I could erase just this little ticks. So I click on it, and it allowed me to actually select every little tick. It does a pretty good job in kind of understanding what you're trying to go after. And then when you hit erase, it erases it. And it does a pretty good job. Oh, well, at times it does a pretty good job. All right, so let's say you still wanted to erase this and it didn't really work like intended. So you could probably try again. Well, let's try again. All right, erase. Let's see if second try did it. It's not working really good. All right, let's try the brush. So with the brush, let's see if it does a better job at erasing these things. Sometimes the brush does a better job. Click erase. There we go. So the brush, so there you go, it's gone. Nice, right? So let's see what it does. Okay, I have no idea what it's gonna do if I try to erase this guy's tie. The idea is to get rid of the tie as if the character never had a tie. Is it really gonna do it? I don't know. Let's find out. So click on the tie and hit erase and cross your fingers. Let's see what it does. Doesn't look that great. Let's try it again. Oh, look at that. See? I would say that was pretty good. We just completely got rid of his tie. Do you see I don't see I don't see that he had a tie now. It's like gone. It's pretty good. So there you go. Those are two options. There is one more option that I'm really not gonna go too much over because the text option to remove, to update the text and to erase things, those are kind of my primary ones I use. I did want to show one more just so you guys are aware of it. Just like you could grab the text and make it an independent object like we did, or was it here? And we did it here too. And just move it around, change it, resize it, change the font. There is another option to select objects inside the picture, and I did it here with this guy. And once you select them, you can move them around, you could resize them, you could do whatever you want with this picture, and then once you save it, it'll be a picture. And let me show you what that tool is called. If you go to the edit in Magic Studio, there is one called Magic, I passed it, Magic Grab. And you could grab objects, and now they're independent objects you could move around in the picture. There are other tools here, but honestly, I don't really use them. Some of them I've never used. Background remover, I never used this. Background generator, I never moved this. There's a whole bunch that I have never used. I think I've used Magic Expand, but really, my go-to is Magic Eraser or Grab Text. That's kind of it. So that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys now know how to generate AI images and make edits to them just to get them exactly like you need them to get. And that's it. With those two tools, you basically could go as crazy as you want with your image generation.